Oman ma me nika encha wahwefo ne ba bia wafidie kodro bia na me encha adehye wo kwa abre nyina na nanu matranko akonwa ne mpanifo nyina na me wish coordinator James, overseas coordinator, happy belated birthday. Nyame emfamfie pi nka na ho ahode wo na nyame hyira no. Aka ne say wie na enkomo a eda paso ena anopai. Honorable Chief Executive, what can be na say typical of Yenuanum NDC for no. They always approbate and reprobate. Baby a command in the day, on the board den. Baby enfever no. Ubu say honor there. He will find means to massage the issues. Maybe I will say omo edodo asem no. Ohwe Supreme Court rulings are said the right to vote that has been voted for and agreed upon by the Supreme Court in the Supreme Court to create and ruling circumstances under which somebody can be declared a citizen and the mode of identification of a citizen. No matter how much we will scream, and found say the Abesia team said the Abesia can be a hoyatraho. Dear Emramo mutumi so omon kase we tuntum we ekoko no o makasa wi e na o machire. Now going forward, reforms in our election.
Mami ready way over Kaya. There's this news going around that the EC has disrespected Parliament. Abra etonsa freno. Na they've reacted. They say the attention of the Electoral Commission has been drawn to a new story to the effect that the EC chairperson has shown disrespect to the Parliament by not honoring an invitation for the attention of the general public. The EC received a letter from Parliament on Wednesday, 22nd February, inviting the Commission to brief the leadership of the House on the draft CI on the registration of voters on Thursday. At that time, the chairperson had traveled to Nigeria at the invitation of ECOWAS, ECONEC for a peer exchange and election observation mission. That notwithstanding, Dr. Bosmasari, Deputy Chair for Corporate Services, attended the meeting together with other directors of the Commission. Surprisingly, the meeting was cancelled as the minority side insisted on the presence of the EC chairperson at the meeting. We wish to state that contrary to the news item that the EC chair has returned to Ghana, the chairperson is still in Nigeria. He has not returned to Ghana. The Commission, especially its chairperson, understands the importance of the institution of Parliament, having worked with Parliament for 2 decades prior to her appointment as chairperson of the EC. The chairperson upholds the institution of Parliament and would therefore not disrespect it in any way. The fact remains that the invitation from Parliament was sent a day before the meeting, at a time when the chairperson was out of the jurisdiction. Had she been aware of the request prior to her travel, she certainly would have prioritized the meeting and attended upon the honorable house. Until the almost really about say, yes, say almost Zafre is our command deputies na mau na new no or can you pay say or Nigeria e kasa sisia ena deputy sukoi ena minority say enyo omu here Jane Bensa.
And I think say Parliament and those who are carrying those news say Omar disrespecting them. They will do the honorable thing upon this explanation.
And also bring
out say they got it wrong. Because in any case, even court, the rules of court committee, even the CIs that govern the courts no krano. Say court bibi ni krana agent, at least the court gives you 3 clear days. 3 clear days. I don't know. Maybe
the whole EC 2030.
Now 24
bra.
Who gave that invitation? The fact that you have a duty to perform under the Constitution. Now what to me so ye be and that is why Article 295 and 6 no clear. Say obi a be ma adwumadi say di wo Constitution ni mu bia no. It is also included in it. To be candid, ese wo ye nipa anema ya de ama no wo hwemu say with discretion no you don't exercise it abuse
capriciously
anything wo be frɛ obi wo to me so ofrɛ obi so omra parliament me yi asɛm ano anti wo frɛ no 23rd na 24 for 25 for Amra Parliament. Na soldier for Krasa no me name. So on also de bibiaba say oni kure mumpo abra auto on safre no. Enti no e no ma obi besi anan. Not notwithstanding. Yes, sir. The easy chairperson could have decided. Say mini ho. Say mini ho dia mini ho. Could be uncle. But ni deputies koi. Nessa mo say mu here deputies mu here ono mu. It is not out of place obe man obre and answer obeje or no so anu asem. In any case, now coming back to the issue on the board, reforms into the elections and ya say enema ye nyina no. Enye nene shase ye free 1992 any aye reforms one after the other sa kanene e to about two musum o pig box na munsem bebre ne e ko
colored picture
what all that reforms na ye ni nyina ne say ye behwe hunu say se ye yi aban ama oman no a ye Ghana fo nko a ne be wo ho kwan say be to aba ne yi yen ya ban amana hwe ye so nti nipa e be yi no na ye frenchim say Ghana fo na si we ne epe no enti se wo hwe emra we ye constitution no said ye si ahyehyɛ no mu na constitution na makwan say at under article 42 ana menu eken ye ma ho kwan wo kwan so otime to aba na enso sa constitution kro ya nso abobɔ de bia ye frɛ na electoral commission eno ama ne tumi under article 51 say wono so wo ho kwan say under the constitution no enye ma ebe koso ama nsakyerɛ ne nhyehyɛ ebe koso ama abato no atimi edi mu aye papa ono so nye no famra under the CI etinye ne na ban bi aye electoral commission bi di CI ebe ko parliament what the palace CI ne be ko parliament na parliament for fiat your release the other school of thoughts no it is for academic debate people are saying say parliament and pass CI na obi ye legislative say constitutional instrument na I don't know if I'm council of state no go lay no. So people are of the view say yes, because parliament is vested with the legislative powers. So
as long as 21 days they mature, it is deemed passed.
Passed no. Na what the deemed passed. Council of State Anna.
No.
Yes. And until it is laid before parliament, it can never be passed. And na untimi so fan koko ya na wa akwa na to parliament say lay. It goes through the process. And that process is a parliamentary process.
So it is meant to be passage.
Yes. Because before I bet me a no, where say also you go through the discussions.
Are you being candid to yourself
on
with the processes you are explaining when you know very well
that
what passage of law means?
So what do you want to say?
No, you are looking at first reading, second reading.
The problem is I can't.
want to say. Statement no what he understands it very well. Parliament can say they don't pass this kind of law na can now. With
but no,
he knows it to be true.
He's raising an issue that there is another school of thought.
No, you are not getting me.
When him
say, getting me.
He's propounding other views.
No, he's going to do that because he understands it better.
So okay, but
why you talk about
academic exercise?
He gave a caveat or a preamble. Say, if you say it is for academic exercise.
When him say passing a law comes under Article 106. Clearly, the procedure is clearly spelled out there. Which does not happen.
All of it, Supreme Court passed a law on Akoto.
No, that they came with a ruling.
A ruling on Reakoto. Tinam can say they passed a law. Now you are saying, say. There are people who say that Reakoto because Supreme Court got it wrong.
Yes, and that's why they have lectures.
That they have lectures. It means that there are people who are also saying that Supreme Kate Ado de
and they disagree.
That
they are completely.
He has a right
These
to
are
say
completely
that.
different issues. And
for all this is also education.
I'm saying for academic exercise purposes, some people of the school of thought say it cannot be out of place who will be working as a parliament that passes here.
Don't be a disservice to Ghana. Say what you know it to be true.
He's being intellectually dishonest.
The issue of Ghana cards, no. Delve there for me.
You see, it is our reforms where I ababedru Ghana card. So the entire abedru Ghana card. So baby, me cost 30 or the free bay. Yet this uncommon way since 2012. abepim sa abri ya twem ho ya tra 10 years decade ago. It is now settled. And Nema Bitmi Amubi can be identified as Ghanaian. Now, in Shaya, Electoral Commission presently, Pes Wadeba, and they say, Yade Ghana card na, Ghana for Nina Jitum, say Ghana card with ya, Ubi Okutebi Biano. It is deemed, so a Ghana ni kron.
Aisha one.
Aisha one, they could na say a Ghanaian squad American, a American, but a non Chrese.
Non-citizen.
Non-Ghanaian. I know they are more here. And now if you say Obi China near and America near we need answer okuta Ghana card.
So Obi a girl.
Yes, Obi or Ghana can hold
the identification.
The identification is non-Ghanaian.
Non-citizen.
Non-citizen.
I shall want the non-citizen. It will okuta Ghana card. On to me from the Twaba and I am a register. And get that distinction, and you know. You are talking about intellectual dishonesty, and you know very well, say be a non-citizen, and you are talking about it.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's hard way now. Yeah, no. Every nanka, you know, DC for. And come on, can it tie nyina ne say, e kwan be na be fa so aga na ni ba bia be
Ghana card.
No, or per pass or back register to aba, what you have register to aba. Because registration in this service is not compulsory. Obi betimi a anya na Ghana card. Or tiny baby, you won't register. And enti, a quabe na Ghana for Nina Befasoa, you bet me a Ghana card. Obi a 18 years and above be a Ghana card waiting the ato. If there are issues, genuine issues with respect to Ghana card acquisition, and no any home come. Yatra on, I say, the current state of leadership in parliament. Mufi said. I reduce no me greedy ne or me selfish ne ade amwaka mo de apamo I can't say mo gu o so amwapamo move is out to force in the god of today. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Now you see amwa say the current state of CI no se pass here no fan chawo and then what would you do?
We will not forgive that.
At the end of the day say out to forcing your pass CI no is passed in parliament. I didn't out to forcing be out to forcing does not work with his physic or might. By law, I am run out of force in the year of parliament. And likewise, everybody. It is Emran the year the limit to which Emran permitted nobody me. At the end of the day, the worst you can do is to go to Supreme Court and determine whether or not say the Omoyano is inconsistent with the Constitution or consistent. That is the worst you can in every civilized nation. That is what you do. Nenye ehunehuna ene patapani akakabensem ne mufi se mo akwakoyi executives who are of this violent nature posture and all that.
You really want to say that?
You people said it. Now the anti-croma and I'm going to say what the suffer some near intimope papa be a bit me or buy and so the first thing he did or when he gave a posture of killing somebody. Didn't I say didn't get here do that? Besides that, before he made those pronouncements, or when he lets you know who say he is one, he made a posture of killing somebody.
We try people.
Some people for no better through says we show for some of you on one net say, but the who he say he made a posture of killing somebody.
Just say the
and whatever it is, may tread the and the oyen is a posture of killing somebody.
And you can interpret it as you feel. So
every reasonable person on the street say I mean, that is the case. It is so it is for him. And this posture now will begin to take and turn and push parliament as if say we and see we be say na ye na hwan na eh na safo ya mo go for they are not from skies, they are not from moons. Omo ye no omo na ti ha ya ye more national organizer ye ne wokurum ha at the time he was minister omo vasa aba na ekotori bi beto half we bin 2 bi ni ade ni it amounted to nothing. It's just a mere puff. Just in some keke. But what oman chechire ne na siesie oman dey say chechira we go in a civilized way. Se bibi ni na won tiasia the only avenue that the court the constitution no e dey amaya under article 125 and they say the powers ni nyinaa they are courts. Into either you go to any of the superior court of judicature depending on where.
So now what should Ghanaians do and what should NIA do so that these cats
should add voice to it that a kwan bi on befa so on benya on cast ama as any Ghanaian who is prepared and wish to go and register for Ghana card and sabe kan Ghana card. That is where the conversation should center.
What is different from what I've said?
What you have said is that okofa the means by which will be by acquire Ghana card. Enyina de abem which and then no yatra ho. They say yes Ghana card near the betuaba. And she say how
the onya bi na o pe bi ne. Kwan be ne be fa so. And e car o mo de no.
Abantua ne car wo de na electoral commission emra bonten my clear timelines. Ghana card na ne sa aka no every Ghanaian na person we
register
because any right goes with responsibility. And this Ghana card for regional district centers na brother register. If you are a citizen and that's all person will register, go there baby I should be as a co register and co register. A group continuous registration of the voter na electoral commission say district officers go there and register. Na asumdwemra o manum na saa kakabensem ne patapasem no emfanto ya chibi
pa na ye kakabensem de abata
na dey this for church okrom here asip said all of a sudden
this is CI no pass ya
you see the current you see
I won say one nwene nkrofo no
say ompene mempene no ene saa you see say
to you na ya konkosem
woni ne enya adwene e wa ade we ho ade we ye ni say ya enu nti e na constitution ne ma kwan say so the parliament, the CI and the parliament, there should be preliminary discussions on the matter. And they will have the discussion. You explain to them the rationale, the intention, everything.
The Anto Wasuma will Supreme Court.
Anto Wasuma, then you give your own input. Then they go and faction out with the input. No more the aba. And some no more quiet merely at the parliament. And it's not for nothing. And a court, a massa, your constitution, a massa, and she said, no, you know, see a bit media. It is a, and there's a one TB, and once a moon, through appropriate channel, and once a speaker, most of my more can, you know, you put the speaker. Na mo speaker asase no so name the minority
na say nyam fitire ba bi na ekoka sanse enya parliament e ka no
na mon kana na anope ba e entreni awo na ha esi say even if issue caveat say leadership e pass it needs
you will not forgive them
they won't even try it.
Okay,